Hello, let's learn today about the soft and hard C. Letter C has two different sounds. When do we pronounce C as k, and when do we pronounce C as s? Let's learn. Letter C has two different sounds, soft C and hard C. The soft C is when C is followed by one of three letters, E or I or Y. For example, face. Here the C is followed by E. Voice. Also the C is followed by E. Circle. The letter C is followed by I. Circle. Circle. What is the hard C? The hard C is when C is followed by one of the following vowels: A, O, U. C is hard when it followed by one of these vowels: A, O, U, or any other consonants. For example, cake. C is followed by A. Cup. C is followed by U. Coffee. C is followed by O. Camel. Cute. Car. Cow. C here is hard as. Let's remember together, the soft C is when C is followed by E, I, and Y. One of these. The C is s. C is pronounced as s. This is the soft C, followed by E or I or Y. E or I or Y. One of these three letters only, the soft C. City, face, voice, circle, pencil, cylinder, rice, space. The hard C, when we pronounce C as k, cat, cake, coat, cup, coffee, camel, cow, car. Here the C of the letter C is followed by one of these vowels: A, O, or U, or any other consonants. This is the difference between the hard and soft C.